Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Ministers, all the Honorable Public Representatives, People's Representatives, Officers, different associations, bankers, insurance agencies, as explained by respected Chief Secretary. The state has witnessed an unprecedented level of calamity this year. Never before in the history of Andhra Pradesh has there been such severe floods occurring in the state, impacting almost 13 lakh people, impacting 905 villages, 27 towns. In 10 days time period, 3 deep depressions were formed in Bay of Bengal, causing widespread rains in the catchment areas and the basins of Krishna and Godavari. In a span of 12 days, 3 times first level warnings were issued. Godavari, Krishna. As explained by respected CS, this was a huge calamity. But the Honorable Chief Minister guided everybody. He made Collectorate his camp office. He guided all of us, and we senior officers were deployed in the field. One of the almost inevitable outcome of a flood of this nature, wherein houses were inundated for more than 7 or 8 days, and the water there, the stagnant water, almost turned into sewage. Almost inevitably, anywhere you see the history of the country, the outbreak of disease, the waterborne as well as different kind of diseases, is almost an inevitable occurrence. But thanks to the directions of Honorable CM and the initiatives taken by all the Honorable Ministers, the MLAs were there in the field. బొండా ఉమ్మ గారిని నేను చూశాను, ట్రాక్టర్లో తిరుగుతా ఆయన మొత్తం పంచారు, ఫుడ్ ప్యాక్, ఎవ్రీబడి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ ఎన్టీఆర్ వాజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ కాబట్టి మిగతా జిల్లాల నుంచి కూడా ఆఫీసర్స్ వచ్చారు, పీపుల్స్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్స్ వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళు మొత్తం ఫీల్డ్లోకి దిగారు. ఈ శానిటేషన్ ఎఫర్ట్ అంతా పెద్ద ఎత్తున జరిగిందంటే ఎక్కడా కూడా అవుట్ బ్రేక్ of disease lekunda. Immediately the next day the areas were cleared, the debris was cleared, the garbage was lifted, even the fire tender engines were pressed into service to clean the houses. This extent of flood management, this extent, and all over the India and even world also, the flood management effort has been well appreciated. The academy director visited just day before the academy where IAS officers are trained, and he was saying that this kind of effective flood management and relief I have never seen anywhere. So this is a huge appreciation of the efforts made by not only the district administration but the entire state machinery. Kudos to everybody, including the private agencies which were involved, the insurance agencies, the bankers. Everyone has risen up to the occasion and given a very, very helping hand to the people. And this time, never before in the history also, the special package that is announced by Honorable CM has far exceeded the limit set by NDRF, SDRF, and special efforts are made to mobilize the money. Also, the kind of faith and trust that people have, it is evidenced in the huge amount of contributions that were received by Honorable CM in the CM Relief Fund. I would now, after having seen this calamity, today is almost the penultimate days. In the morning, we have started releasing money to the accounts of beneficiaries through DBT mode, and in 1 or 2 days, hopefully, most of the beneficiaries would get the money. So, with this, I thank everybody for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.